of you. Today I will discuss about profit and loss. First of all, we are related to some important term, that is first term cost price. First term cost price or CP, cost price or CP. Okay, what is CP? The price at which an article is purchased. Again I say, the price at which an article is purchased, this is called cost price or CP. Okay, and next SP, selling price or SP. SP means the price at which an article is selling, this is called selling price. Okay, next profit. What is profit? Next topic is profit. What is profit or gain? Profit means if selling price is greater than, selling price SP is greater than cost price CP, then this is called the profit or gain. Next, loss percentage. Loss percentage means if the cost price is greater than the selling price, then this is called loss. That's mean CP greater than SP. Okay, again I say some topic or some term is most important for profit and loss. First one is cost price, then means CP, the price at which an article is purchased. Then selling price means at which the particle selling. Okay, this is profit and loss or profit or gain. That's mean if the CP or selling price is greater than the cost price, then this is called the profit. Loss mean if CP is greater than the SP, that's mean cost price is greater than the selling price, this is called the loss. Okay, next, the most important formula or some important formula for profit and loss. Okay, some important formula for profit and loss. First one is gain. Gain mean SP minus CP. Formula number one, gain mean SP minus CP. Okay, second, loss mean CP minus SP. Okay, first gain, next loss. Third one, most important things, it is remember that always CP or always gain or loss, always gain and loss is calculated with respect to the CP. Most important, always gain or loss is calculated with respect to CP. With respect to CP. Okay, number 3, gain percentage is equal to gain percentage, gain into 100 divided by CP. Gain or loss or anything is calculated with respect to CP. So gain percentage mean gain into 100 by CP. Similarly, loss percentage, loss into 100 by CP. Okay, there are 4 formula. One is gain means SP minus CP. That means selling price is greater than with respect to the CP cost price, then gain always generate. So gain is equal to SP minus CP. Next, loss mean CP minus SP. Okay, always CP or loss or gain always calculated with respect to CP. That is most remembering thing. Okay, next formula 3, gain percentage, gain into 100 by CP, loss percentage, loss into 100 by CP. Okay, next formula number 5. Next formula number 5, gain loss, gain percentage or loss percentage. Next, selling price, SP. Next, selling price, SP. Formula number 5, selling price or SP is there are given at CP. Then 100 plus, if gain generate 100 plus gain percentage divide by 100 into CP. If the loss generate, if the generated is loss, then formula SP is equal to 100 minus loss percentage divided by 100 into CP. Okay, if given that CP and loss percentage, then SP is equal to 100 minus loss by 100 into CP. If the gain generate and given that CP, so SP will be SP is equal to 100 plus gain by 100 into CP. Clear? Next, if generate for CP, CP is equal to 100 divided by 100 plus gain percentage into SP, and CP is equal to if loss is generated, so 100 minus loss percentage into SP. Okay, so there are 4 formulas. Another, if CP is given and loss or gain is generated, then SP is equal to 100 plus gain by 100 into CP, and SP is equal to 100 minus loss divided by 100 into CP. If SP is given and loss or gain is generated, then CP is equal to 100 divided by 100 plus gain into SP, and CP is equal to 100 divided by 100 minus loss percentage minus into SP. Okay, so there are total 8 formulas. First formula says loss or profit and loss percentage and profit percentage, and then SP and CP with respect to gain and losses. Okay, next, remember things. There are 2 most important point. If an article is sold at 35% gain, if a article is sold 35% gain, then SP, selling price, will be 130% of CP. That's mean 135 by 100 into CP. Okay, if an article is sold at 35% loss, then SP will be 60% of CP. Okay, next, more important things, if same article, if two article, one is selling a 10% profit and another is selling 10% loss. When the question asked sometimes, if two articles are selling 10% profit one and another selling 10% loss, then calculate how much percentage of profit or loss. Always remember that if same percent profit is gain or same percent profit is loss, the 2 articles, then always generate loss, not gain. So loss percentage will be profit or loss percentage divided by 10 square. This is the formula. If again I says, if one article is saying 10% profit and one article is same article or another article is sale same percent loss, then always generated loss percentage. Loss will be profit or loss percentage divided by 10 square. Okay, so this chapter profit and loss, all things are formula for, but remember things for this chapter. Okay, thank you. If you are interested for seeing this type of topic, so please subscribe our channel and like, comment, share. Okay, bye. If you are interested for offline classes, then call the number on the screen.